En gima dongo kendo nyaka koro ng'iye kata chiedh makwake ng'e kaka inyalo losi. Raila ma bende ne loso kinde mane yawa yanga romo nogono mar governors makweni kanyo bende koro nowacho ni achiedh nade mantiere en makoro ineno nyaka gi sani gi Loch gwenge nyaka koro ne chake 2013 gin mago monego bed ni kelo paro manyien kendo kelo andong'a ne jotelo mag counties mondo mi gidhi nyime to kod losogo mondo koro konyo e japiny. Wacho ni mondo Kenya obiro dhi nyime dongruok nyaka piny owacho malo bende otudre nena kod piny owacho mago mag counties motelo kod governors 47 mondo mi japiny ong'e ni to ondamo mane makare ahinya mabende koro Loch gwenge osekelo nyaka ne koro kete bwo chik e pacho kae.
Triumphs and challenges. At this 7th conference, you have decided to confront the elephant in the room of human survival, the issue of climate change. This is a clear indication that counties are coming of age and venturing into some of the greatest challenges humanity is facing now and the centuries ahead. I commend you for this. Climate change is bigger than the election coming up in 2022 or the ones coming that will follow in 2027 and 2032. It is a life and death matter that has cornered everyone all over the planet. I believe that climate is so important that going forward, we need to have a National Climate Council and situate it within the presidency. Kenya is experiencing higher temperatures, unpredictable rainfall patterns, increased incidence of drought and floods, and rising sea levels. Extreme weather events have led to loss of lives, diminished livelihoods, reduced crop and livestock production, and damaged infrastructure, among other adverse impacts. The key enablers of our economy, that is agriculture, water, energy, tourism, and wildlife, are extremely climate sensitive. If we don't tackle climate change, all our efforts to grow our economy will be in vain. County government operate right on the ground. They are the first port of call when homes and farms get washed away by floods that were not expected. They are the first line of defense when crops fail in a drought that comes when rains were expected. Counties, therefore, have a critical role, particularly in educating our people on the reality of climate change. You have no option but to provide leadership on this matter. I am aware that to date, 33 counties have enacted climate change policy and legal frameworks, while others are at different stages of formulation of the same. I particularly laud the ASAL counties of Garissa, Isiolo, Kitui, Makueni, and Wajir, which have gone ahead and established county climate change funds. That is the leadership we are looking for at the grassroots. Today, there are several other transformative ideas whose time has come in Kenya. They are being resisted the way devolution was, but we will actualize them because their time is here. At this forum, I would like to share some thoughts on how we are going to renew and redefine devolution to make it deliver better to the people.